Hi.
All right.
I'm Doc. How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing great.
All right.
How'd you like to go skydiving?
I'm real excited.
I would be scared.
Would you be scared if you went skydiving? How come? It's only 13,000 feet.
Yeah.
What's the problem?
It's scary.
So what's the occasion, Noelle? Why
I
are you...
turned 18 last week, so I gotta go now.
Very good.
I know. I'm excited.
Awesome.
She wants you to take a picture of her.
Okay. Smile, sweethearts, brothers and sisters.
These are family, extended family. That's the only brother.
Wow.
And then I have a whole bunch, more big group out there. So.
That's awesome.
Hi, Noelle.
Hi.
How you doing?
Joseph.
Not too bad. You ready to have some fun?
I am. I'm excited.
Good deal. Looks like we're going to have a good time here.
I would be
Right here.
All right, I'll take that then. Sure.
I guess I better go put on a parachute, huh?
Probably a good idea.
Oh, that hat is you.
Yeah, I like it. Pretty fashionable.
You may have to get one of those.
I think I should. I can hear like nothing with it. Weird.
We can talk about you while you got it on there.
All right.
You're gonna hook this one up, right, Ken?
I think so. It says tug here, pull here. A into B, or A into A.
It'll probably work
I
either
forgot my
way.
alphabet.
You know, even if it doesn't work, I'm not going to be worried too much about it after I hit the ground. So
This is true.
it'll be all right. After I hit the ground, I won't be too worried about it.
Yeah, you probably won't have to worry about it. Hey, you get first.
All right.
All right. Holy cow!
Oh, Noelle, what's that?
That's a first. I haven't even seen a
That's beautiful.
fan club like that.
There's them too, so. You can go back over there now.
All right, there's our airplane. All right, Noelle, let's have some fun. Woohoo! All right, Noelle, what are you thinking about now?
I'm real excited. I love heights. This is awesome.
Should be right up your alley. All right. Oh, we got another 10,000 feet to go.
This plane is tiny.
This is our big plane. You should see our tiny plane.
That's funny.
All right, Noelle.
If we could do a payment plan, that'd be even better. Yeah, this thing comes way up.
Awesome.
Feel good?
Yeah, that was pretty much the greatest thing ever, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, very good job.
Way to go.
Can I take this off?
Yes, you can.
Alright.
And she's doing a good job of holding.
Oh, that was awesome.
Feel better?
Yeah.
She's
Way to go.
Tight on my head.
Yeah.
Oh, that was awesome.
How you doing here? That's how we do it here in Paradise, baby. Having a good time.
Yeah, definitely. I'll definitely be doing this again.
Good job, Noelle.
Thank you.
Way to go, Noelle.
Thanks.
Now it's time to meet the whole fan group down there.
Hey, Noelle.